Hi, I want to quickly walk you through how to use Repl.it and how to get back to Replits that you have created the next time you want to use them. First of all, when you go to repl.it, make sure you only click login. Never sign up, never just start coding. You have to click login every time. If you have previously clicked start coding, then you're not going to be able to get back to whatever you worked on when you just clicked start coding. So I've always told you need to log in and choose Google. So you're going to log in using your Google account. You should be on Chrome. You should be logged in for Google for School, logged into Google for School. So you should always log in with Google. I'm going to go through that again just in case you missed it. So we go to repl.it, always choose login. Then you click the Google logo and you will see your username up here. If you have sent me an invitation to a Repl with any other account name other than your Google, I prefer that you use your Google account because then it shows your actual first and last name and not some cutesy name that you came up with some other time. Okay. If you're starting the first time, you will go to languages, pick Python. And everything that you're going to try to run, everything that you're going to run to test has to be in run. I mean, it has to be, in main.py, and then you can run it. So let's do print sample for, I don't know. Then we're going to run that. And we can see it over here in the console screen. If we want to save this so it's there when we come back, we have to copy it. So you can select Control C, and then you have to create a file. So to create a file, next to the word files, you click the add file button. And then we're going to paste our code in there. If you don't create a file and paste your code there, then it's not going to be there when you come back. Okay, we can change this default nonsense text to that, and that'll show up as the name of your REPL. So then we're going to log out and log out and come back in. Okay, so we're completely logged out. I'm going to go to login. Always choose login when you're using repl.it for this class. Hit the Google logo. You're already verified for Google, so it's going to know it's you, and you'll see your own name up here. Okay, we want to go to My Repls to see what we've created. Here's the REPL that I created. And there's my sample. It happened to save my main.py, but it does not always. So make sure you save anything that you want to get back to. You have to save in a file like this one. I'm going to go back to my repls if I can. Okay, in my repls, if you did not name your if you didn't change the default name, they might be under unnamed, or they will be under unnamed. And you can find it there, and it'll tell you how many days ago you worked on it or how many hours ago or what have you, so you can get to it there. But I think the key is you got to make sure you log in. Don't create a new name, don't create a new profile or anything, and don't just start coding. That's all.